What is going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today I'm gonna go ahead and showcase you the S-FACTOR Fabrication fin rear diffuser with fins. It comes with 5 in the center, and they also provide 2 extra ones for those that have the side splats on it. You can go ahead and have 7 fins total to create that kind of balanced look on the back, which I'm gonna do. So normally this kit actually gets mounted directly to your existing OEM bumper, directly with some supplied screws and locking nuts, and that's all you do. You drill right through the kit into your bumper and you secure it with the nuts, and that is it. The back end gets actually screwed onto directly with some self-tapping screws onto the chassis, almost like where your spare tire goes from the bottom up. So the screws aren't long enough to puncture anything, but they do recommend to be very careful. Remove everything from your trunk and go ahead and install the back screws and ensure that it doesn't puncture anything. So in my end, I didn't have anything there to puncture, so it came out really well. So but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the top view on what I did, so that way you guys, if you have this setup with the High Rep Sports, the rear diffuser, this is the setup you would use. So let's go ahead and just get started. Alright guys, so this is the top view. If you guys know, the High Rep Sports comes with some standoffs, if you will, that actually kind of pop from the bottom. So I'll give you the bottom view so you guys can see. So what I ended up doing is that I lined up and centered the S-FACTOR Fabrication diffuser, and I used those 3 standoffs to drill from the top to the bottom. And then once I went ahead and I lined that up and put the drilled right through it, I went ahead and I put the screws from the bottom up. So I'll show you the bottom view so you guys have an idea on what I'm talking about on the standoffs. But it's basically 3 little kind of little stands that it comes with, and that's what I use to go ahead and mount this. So, and then I put the nuts on the 3 locations here to secure it, and that is it. So I'll show you from the bottom view so you guys have an idea, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. So here's the back view so you guys can see the 3 stand-ups that I'm talking about are in the center. So 1, 2, and 3 up here, and the screws are right below it. And as you guys saw from the top, I secured it with the nuts, which are supplied. The back end is going to be secured. You can add more, but they supply 2 8mm head type of screw, self-tapping. Give you a close-up, more or less, so that way you can see. And they're not long enough, so it shouldn't go into the trunk. Mine didn't. It actually stopped right at the tip, right before getting into the trunk. So very secured. Then again, still check your clearance before doing this. And what you gotta do is you gotta pre-drill the holes right into the kit. They have already preset holes, so you just drill right through it to make the hole. I recommend doing it a little bit smaller than this, and then you can go ahead and secure this on there to make it a nice, tight, snug fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and finalize that, and I'll show you guys a preview of how it looks. Most of you have already seen it on Instagram, but just give you an overview of how it looks on the video. There you have it, guys. There's the rear diffuser by S-FACTOR Fabrication. I still need to add the side fins on the side splats that I was talking about, so I'll add those on later on. I gotta find a rivet gun and get those installed just to have those fins on the outer side. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and share if you can. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.